Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Windows Update fails to install or won't download on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This problem can be caused by corrupted update files, issues with the Windows Update service, network problems, or system misconfigurations. Luckily, there are several proven steps you can take to get updates working again. Let's get started. Step 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, open the search menu and type Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Settings from the results. On the right side, click Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, locate Windows Update and click the Run button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Step 2, run System File Checker and DISM tool. If the troubleshooter didn't fix the issue, let's try scanning for system file corruption. Open the search menu again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Type the following command and press Enter. Wait patiently while the scan completes. Once it finishes, run this second command. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. After the scans are complete, close the command prompt window, restart your computer, That's it. You've now learned how to troubleshoot and fix issues with Windows Update. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.